Hi, welcome to Titan Storage. I understand you have an interesting storage requirement. Follow me and I'll show you a couple of units which may be suitable. We have lots of different sizes for lots of different needs. People moving home, people decorating, businesses that need to store equipment or files, or for people such as yourself with interesting hobbies. You can come and go anytime, 24 hours a day, and all our units are secure with padlock and keypad access. There's a trolley to move all your heavy equipment in and out, and if you're worried about privacy, each unit has its own door, so no one knows what's going on in there. I'm not sure how much kit you actually have, but this unit has enough room for the contents of a one-bedroom flat. If you need something bigger, we can give you enough space for something precious like a collection of vintage caravans. I think though, for you, this would be perfect.